In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design pie charts in Figma. Start by opening your design file in Figma so you have the canvas ready. We're going to draw the base of the chart first. Select the ellipse tool by pressing the O key. Then click and drag while holding Shift to create a perfect circle. Holding Shift is important because it locks the proportions and gives you a true circle, which is essential for accurate slices. If you want a softer look, you can use a solid fill and remove the stroke. But that's optional. Next, hover your cursor over the right edge of the circle until you see a small circular handle labeled arc. This is how we'll convert the ellipse into a pie-style shape. Click that arc handle, drag it towards the center to activate the arc. Then continue dragging around the circle to define your first slice. As you do this, notice the start and sweep values in the right-hand panel. These numbers represent where the slice begins and how wide it is in degrees. If you are matching data, multiply each percentage by 360 to get the angle for each slice. Holding Shift while dragging can help snap to clean increments. Once you've created your first slice, duplicate it with CMD or Ctrl+D. Change its color so each segment is visually distinct. With the duplicate selected, adjust the start and sweep values so this slice begins where the previous one ended and spans the correct angle for your next data point. Repeat this process for all remaining categories. Duplicate, recolor, then set the new start and sweep. Keep an eye on the total when all slices are added. The angles should sum to 360 degrees, forming a complete circle with no gaps or overlaps. With your segments in place, it's time to label the chart. Select the text tool and click to add labels and percentages. You can place labels directly over each slice, centered for larger segments or just outside the edge for smaller ones. Make sure your text color contrasts with the slice color for readability, and keep font sizes consistent. If space is tight, abbreviate labels but keep the percentages clear. Align labels neatly, and consider matching text colors with slice colors to reinforce the connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching.